Hello you guys, it's your girl Yvette, and I am fantastic today. But here we go. We are going to change a light. And this is the LED light for the low beams. Right now we're on the passenger side, which is your right hand side. The only reason we are on the side of a car is because it makes it a little bit easier, so you can you have space. Alright you guys, so the first step is to remove the rubber cover. And see, I didn't even break a nail. So you guys, the next step is to remove this electrical plug that is down here. So I have a pick that's going to make it a little bit easy, okay? I mean, I could use my nails, but no, I'm going to use this, okay? So we're going to just set it in here. And there you go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to remove the light, okay? So what you do, you're going to just pretty much put your hand in there and you're going to pull it out. Before you pull it, you're going to go like a 30-degree. You're going to go counterclop, 30 degrees, but you're going to make sure you're rotating it. But make sure you don't like force it or anything. Just take your time and then it'll come out, okay? The light is out. You see what I have right here is the LED light. You see where my hands are placed properly underneath? I would say more on the side. Do not put your hands on here, which is the top part, because your hands are oily. There. I got it. Since it's all connected in there, I'm going to remove the towel. In order to install the light, you got to make sure you set it in there, but it has to be clockwise. So we are going to get in there slowly but surely. Alright, now you guys are going to see the difference between the LED light and the regular light. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the garage lights off so you guys can see the difference, okay? Let's go. See you guys? Now you see the difference? We have, on the driver's side, it's more like a uglyish, yellowish. You have on the passenger side, this is more clean and very elegant. Well, there you guys have it. All you got to do is just repeat all the other steps that's actually on the other side, which is your left-hand side, where that's the driver's side, okay? And there you have it. That's how you install an LED light on a 2014 Ford Explorer.